Hey guys, welcome to a new video, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing the Batman 4K set that I think was an exclusive to Savvy. Let me just move this tripod for you, that's better. We've got the Batman Returns, the original Batman 1989, and I think it's the two Joel Schumacher, I think it was Joel Schumacher films. We've got the Val Kilmer Batman, and then we've got the George Clooney Batman as well. So first of all, we're going to unbox the original 1989 film, and if you haven't seen my previous video, go and check it out where I did an unboxing of the brand new Harley Quinn. So let's just take this apart. So right off the bat, we have a nice matte blue and a nice big J card as well. Try and be careful with this. There we go. This is the J card, as you can see. Just all the information at the back, and I think one day hopefully we'll get rid of these things here. I think people would actually know now you need a 4K Blu-ray player, but obviously there's some people out there that don't. So yeah, basic J card. At the back it says Batman, and on the case itself these are stickers, so these do come off, and it's a nice blue. It's got a bit of a nice sheen to it. It is a matte finish on the side, just simple Batman, DC logo, the Warner Brothers logo, and the 4K Ultra HD logo there. At the back you get a gorgeous picture of silhouette of Batman there, which is pretty cool. I do think this should have been the front cover. I think that should have been the front cover with this, with the background like that, simply with the Batman at the top. So let's open it up. I've got to be careful because there may be a code, I don't know. And no. And as you can see, one of the discs was actually a bit loose in there, and it's the HD disc that was loose. So let me just, this is the, there we go. There's a bit of a fingerprint on there I think, but this is the Batman Blu-ray, simple blue. And then on the 4K, I'm just going to quickly check this disc. Yeah, it's mint condition still. You've got the Batman 4K with the Batman logo on it, which is a pretty nice touch. So you can easily tell which is which when you want to pop one of these in to watch it. So I'm going to pop this to the side, just there, and let's have a look at the inside. The Batmobile with a shot of Michael Keaton in the background, and I forget her name, Kim Basinger or whatever her name was, in the background, just there running towards the Batmobile. Nice artwork. The back I think is really nice. Overall, a really nice steelbook. I'm going to pop these back in. I don't know why it was, but normally the 4K disc would be at the front, but as you guys saw, it was at the back. So, but I'm still going to put it back at the back, simply because that's how I have most of my Blu-rays, 4K ones, because my 4K player, which is my Xbox One S, is for some odd reason just won't play the HDR Blu-rays, which is very, very bizarre. That's the first one, just put that aside there. The next one, the Batman Returns in a nice purple, same J card, all the information there. Let's take a look at this one. The same J card, so I can just easily take this off with a bit of glue there. Now these are Savvy exclusives here in the UK, so if you're hoping to get these, maybe they might be available in the country, I don't know. You've got the 4K logo there Ultra HD. Batman Returns. DC logo is in purple to match the case. The Batman was in blue on that bit. And it's a nice matte finish again. These are stickers, so these do come off. Turn it over, and another silhouette of Batman there again. And let's take a look at the inside. We get an image of the Batmobile there. See, this is strange. This disc was at the back on the Batman one for some odd strange reason. But anyhow, you've got the 4K disc in purple, and then you've got your standard Blu-ray at the back, which is quite hard to get out. You do have to tilt it a bit. You've got your Batman 4K, the Blu-ray 4K in purple, and then a nice image there of Michael Keaton next to the Batmobile. And I don't believe there is any other people in the picture. You do get pictures here in the back, as you can see, of the Penguin. But other than that, nice simple design. They've got this right in here, same as that you get at the back of most cases. I think it's at the back of one of these. I think it was the Harley Quinn 4K. It was all written at the back. All this was on the actual steelbook, but this one it isn't. So, and the image does wrap around the case as well. So let's put this one in. Put these back in quickly so I can move on to the next one. Yeah, as you can see, one of these is loose, and this is the Batman Forever one, and I think this is the next one, and then the one after that is Batman and Robin. So we'll get into the Batman Forever one. This is the Val Kilmer Batman, and I think he did a really good job as Batman. I didn't mind it. I think he did a better job than George Clooney did. Val Kilmer can be a brilliant actor when he wants to be. Depends if he could be asked, really. Simple J card. Let's take that off. That one was a bit harder to remove. So same image again, but this time you only get one sticker instead of two like these ones. There's only one little 12 sticker there. I've just noticed it goes from 15 on this one, 15 on the first one, 12 on this one, and then PG on the next one, which I find hilarious, really. Batman Forever logo there, green DC logo there, 4K logo again, and a really nice silhouette of Batman. I really do like this image with the little blades, or whatever you call these, like blades to me, coming out on the side. Nice matte finish again. This is a green case, obviously, for the Riddler, and again, a disc is loose. This probably could have been because of the Postman, but a green Blu-ray for 4K and a blue one. I'm going to check this quickly, so bear with me. I just need to check it to make sure it's not scratched. And it's in mint condition still. So let's take out the artwork on the inside. You get an image of the Batmobile from this movie, obviously. Val Kilmer as Batman there. And this one looks like it's in the Batcave. So I really do like this image. I think this should have been the front. With a simple Batman Forever logo at the top. That would have been a really nice design, but I do like how they've kept the design the same for this set. And these are all individual Blu-rays, by the way. You have to pay for these all individually. Right now, I think they're like £17 on Savvy. So if you want to grab a bargain, go to Savvy, get yourself Batman in 4K. You might as well get that one, because the other 4K version, which came in a standard traditional plastic case, that was, I think that was £29 when the last time I looked. So by the time you watch this video, it could be a little bit less, and that doesn't seem very secure in there, so I'm gonna have to take a look at that after. So that is the Batman Forever green case, obviously for the Riddler. Really nice design. People complain about this saying they're lazy, how they kept the design the same throughout the set. I think it's quite genius really, because it's all the same set. Last but not least, Batman and Robin. Not a bad film. It is what it is. So let's get straight into this one. I don't mind Joel Schumacher Batmans. They're decent. They're enjoyable to watch for what they are. If you grew up watching these when you was a little kid, then obviously you do like these films. Yes, they have their faults, but they're not a bad films. So here we go, simple J card again. The glue is quite hard to remove on these last two Blu-rays, and that one has just ripped. So now after, as you guys can see, a bit of glue is still there. Let me just roll that off. Alicia Silverstone, apparently name doesn't like being shown. But obviously the red for the Robin, beautiful colour. It's a nice sheen and shine on that, I think. And this one is a bit, I don't know if you guys can see it, how it was like. Right, so at the back you get a nice silhouette of Batman and Robin looking over the city. Batman and Robin logo there, red DC logo, which is pretty nice. And this time the discs are in place. I was a bit worried about this case. Batman and Robin 4K disc there in red, and the Batman and Robin Blu-ray in blue. So let's take that side, and you get an image of the Batmobile, which does look a really nice image in this case. I think that is a really nice image. And then you've got George Clooney with his bat nipples right there. I wasn't really a fan of George Clooney in this film. I think he'd done a really piss poor Batman. They should have just hoped. They should have tried their most to get Val Kilmer back on, I think. As you guys can see there, that's the complete steelbook design. I think it's very nice. That will look nice in a frame, obviously without this bit there. I think that'd be nice artwork in a frame. So guys, there you go. That is the Batman steelbook set. We have the Joel Schumacher films right there, and then we have the original Batman films here as well with Michael Keaton. So there you guys go. I think that's been hopefully the best I could do with what I've got to. Let me just get a wider shot of this. There we go. I think that looks pretty cool. There we go. There you go. So hopefully you guys have liked this video. Sorry if it's been filmed at a funny angle, but it's the best way I can get my camera at the moment. The films are going to look superb in 4K, I think. I've been told, especially the original Batman, the shadows look really, really good. So there you guys go. I hope you liked the video, and I hope that you subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thanks very much.